Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys a very delicious chicken and vegetable stir fry. First of all, we need 1 kg whole chicken, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon corn flour, and then mix it. I am using here a fork, but you can use your hands. Set aside for 30 minutes. Let's make our sauce. 2 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix it until dissolve the sugar. Keep aside. Let's fry our chicken. 1/3 cup of oil, that is flavorless oil. Fry those chicken pieces for 3 minutes each side. I'm using the medium flame. After 3 minutes, flip over the chicken. Okay, I think my chickens are ready. This is a big onion dice. Stir fry. 1 teaspoon garlic, half teaspoon ginger paste, cut in a stirring, half cup of carrot, half cup of cabbage, cut in a stirring, half cup of semi-boiled cauliflower. I just boil it for 3 minutes. Half cup of broccoli, and we're gonna pour the sauce. Now it's time to add the chicken. Just saute for 2 minutes. I'm using half teaspoon more black pepper because I like the spicy. Well done, our chicken are ready for dinner. This dish is very delicious and juicy. You can serve it for Sunday dinner or any occasion. If you like my recipe, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.